Hello, kids. How are you today? I hope that you're fine and that you're having a fantastic day. Today is Thursday, May 21st. And today we are going to work on phrasal verbs again, but this time we are using phrasal verbs with break and phrasal verbs with put. So please get your grammar success and open to page 99. Let's start the presentation so I can share some information with you. Now, remember to respect your turn, keep your microphones off, and you're not allowed to write on the presentation. So, here are some phrasal verbs with break. So the main verb here is break, and we have the prepositions behind them that changes the meaning. When we use the phrasal verb break down, it means that something has stopped working. So here it says break down. To stop working, like for example, cars, machines, engines, they can stop working and we can say that they break down. So sometimes your parents are driving their cars and the car can break down. It means that it stopped working and maybe they have to call a mechanic to come fix the car or to get it or something like that. Break into. It says here to enter a place by force. So someone can try to break your windows and doors and get into your house. The intention might be to steal something. They're going in by force. So they're not opening your house with a key or anything like that. They're breaking the window, breaking the door, and trying to get into your house. So you can say break into. Then when we say something breaks out, it means that it began or it begins suddenly, like for example, a war or a fight between your partners or fires. In Tabasco, since it's extremely hot, sometimes maybe we have pieces of glass or bottles, and because of the exposure with the hot sun, a fire can start. So we can say a fire broke out. If it is something that happened in the past, you would use the past form of break, which is broke. So if something happened last night, you are going to use broke. Last night, a thief broke into our house. Now, let's try to answer the exercise using those words. We are not focusing on breakup in this activity because we're not going to use it. But usually breakup means that someone stops a relationship with a person. So the first one, this is the answer because it's past. My car broke down, so I took it to the garage. World War II broke out in 1933, it's also past. Burglars are people who rob things. They steal, they thief. Burglars broke into my house last night and they stole all my jewelry. Okay, last night someone broke into and stole the TV. And our car broke down while we were driving to the beach for vacation. So they were all past actions. So we had to put broke instead of break because it is past tense. Now let's practice some phrasal verbs with put. Here we have put on, put across, put down to, put forward, and put up. Again, I wouldn't want to focus too much on put down to because it doesn't make much sense in this case, but let me explain quickly. So put on. Put on, you use put on when you speak about clothes or shoes or a cap. Today I put on my blue work shirt, my t-shirt, the blue one. Put across. Put across is when you try to communicate some information. Okay, so put across, communicate. To postpone something means to put it off. Put off, to postpone something. To put forward, when you use put forward, it means that you're making a suggestion or a proposal. So you can say, let's have the party on Saturday. You're putting forward your idea to have a party. Then put on. Put on, as I mentioned, to place a garment or clothes. Garment is another word to refer to clothes. Put down to attribute something that maybe you think that something that happened is because of an action. Put down to. So these are the answers. Check them quickly and make sure you have the same one. Now let's continue using those phrasal verbs we put to answer this exercise. So They can't put off a decision for more than 1 week. Okay, they can't postpone it for more than 1 week. Juliet put on a cotton dress. She looked beautiful. They know how to put themselves across to people. They know how to communicate to people. If I forget something, put down to my old age. And the government put forward new ideas to stop violence. Okay? Please check your answers and make sure that they're all correct. And thank you for your attention.